Hello, great minds. Welcome to another fun-filled lesson in quantitative reasoning. In this lesson, we are going to be looking at two exercises in our book. There is exercise 4 and 5. To get more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification, like and share. In this exercise, we are going to look at the use of basic operations. Alright, but first we will look at the use of addition and subtraction in exercise 4, example 1. Addition, which is plus, and subtraction, which is minus. Alright, now let's look at what we have in example 1. In this example, we can see 4 numbers in a circle in 4 quadrants. The biggest number is 18, and when we look at it, if these 3 numbers are added, what comes to mind? We can get 18. So let's see what we do with these 3 numbers. Now let's begin. 7 plus 3, that gives us a 10. Then 10 plus 8, that gives us 18. So we were correct. So by adding the 3 other numbers, we can get the largest number, which is 18. Alright. Now let's say we wish to find the 8 instead of the 18. And we need to make use of the 3, 7 and the 18. So let's go to the board and see. So first, what do? We write down the largest number and do the opposite of addition, which is subtraction. So 18 minus 7, that will give us 11. So 11 minus 3, that will give us 8. So this is how we get the 8. Now let's say we wish to get number 3, and we need to make use of the other 3 numbers. Let's go to the board again. We start with the 18, the largest number. So 18 take away 7, that will give us 11. Then 11 take away 8, that will give us 3. So this is how we get the 3. Alright, so the same way we get these numbers, that is how we get the 7. So let's say we want to make use of the other 3 numbers, 18, 8 and 3. Now let's go to the board. We have 18 minus 8, that gives us 10. Now from 10 we will subtract the 3, and that will now give us 7. So this is how we get the 7. Alright, now let's move to the next example, example 2. In this example 2, we are using 4 concepts here: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and then division. Alright, now let's see what we have in example 2. Now looking at this triangle, we can see the 22 on top and 3 other numbers under. There's a 2 in the triangle and 4 and 7 at the side or base. We add the 4 and the 7 at the base of the triangle, and that will give us 11. So 11 multiplied by the number in the triangle, which is 2, that gives us 22. So This is how we get the 22. Now, say we wish to get the 2 instead. What do? We make use of the 22, the 4, and the 7. Now let's go back to the board. 4 plus 7. Well, that will give us 11. Now what we do is to divide the 22 by 11. So 22 divided by 11, that will give us 2. Alright, so that is how we got 2. If we wish to get any of the 2 numbers on the side, the 4 and the 7, for example, we are going to follow the same procedure. Alright, so we are just going to try to find one of them. Now, let's say we want to find the 4 and want to make use of 7, 2, and 22. Let's go to the board once again. So when this time we are starting with the 22. 22 divided by the 2. What we are going to get from there is 11. Alright, now this 11 minus the 7, because we are doing the opposite of addition, that gives us a 4. So the answer is 4. So that is how we got the 4. Alright, now let's look at example 3. We have concepts, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Alright, now let's see how we can make use of this in the third example. If we wish to get this 7, making use of 25, 3, and 4. So we do the opposite of what we did in the previous example. So we start by subtraction instead of addition. That is 25 minus 4 equal to 21. Now this 21 we try to divide by the number at the middle, which is a 3. So 21 divided by 3, that will give us 7. Alright, 7. So this is how we got the 7 at the bottom. So if we wish to get the 3 at the middle, so we'll make use of the 7, the 25, and the 4. Alright, so now let's see how we do this. Again, we are going to start with 25 by subtracting 4 from it. So 25 minus 4 is 21. Now this 21, this time around, we are going to divide by 7. Okay, so when we divide 21 by 7, we are going to get 3. So this is how we got the 3. If we want to get 25 and we want to make use of 7, 3, and 4, so we are definitely going to start with 3 and 7. On the board, let's go. We have a 7 times 3. That's the opposite of division. That gives us 21. Then 21 plus 4. That will give us 25. Alright, so that is how we got the 25. We have a 4, and so if we wish to get this 4, we make use of 3, 25, and 7. We have 7 times 3. This will give us 21. Now we have 21, so all we need to do is to subtract the 21 from 25. So that is to say 25 minus 21. That gives us 4. So this is how we got the 4. Alright, finally we have the last exercise, which is exercise 5. The concept is the same: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now let's begin. We have a rectangle with one number inside and 4 numbers outside. So if we must get 31, the number inside, we must make use of the 4 numbers outside. Now let's start with the signs outside the box. On top we have division, that's divide, and at the bottom we use minus. Okay, let's start with the numbers on top. We have 39 and 13. So when we divide 39 by 13, we are going to get a 3. Alright, so 39 divided by 13 is 3. Now we subtract, do the subtraction at the bottom. That is 46 minus 18. That gives us 28. Alright, so now this is how we got the 28. The 28 is therefore added to the 3 we got before. That gives us 31. So this is how we got the number at the middle. Now if we wish to get 39, we must make use of the other 4 numbers: 31, 46, 18 and 13. So we start from the bottom this time. So we have 46 minus 18. That will give us 28. Alright, so now we move to the middle. In the middle we have 31. Alright, so 31 is the number we are going to subtract 28 from. So we have 31 minus 28. That gives us 3. Okay, now it is this 3 that we are going to multiply by 13 to get the 39. That's the opposite of division. So 13 times 3 gives us 39. So this is how we get the 39. Now let's go back and look at other numbers. Now if we wish to get the 13, we use 39, 31, 46 and 18. Again, we start from the bottom. So we subtract as usual. 46 minus 18. That will first of all give us 28. Now we'll come to the middle. We see the 31. So we say 31 minus 28. That will give us 3. Alright, so with this 3 we are going to make use it to divide the 39. So 39 divided by 3 gives us a 13. So that is how we get this 13. So now let's go down and get 46. So if we wish to get 46, we must go to the top to start. So let's say we make use of 39 and other numbers there. So we start from the top, which is 39. Again, 39 divided by 13 is going to give us a 3. Alright, now we go to the middle. We have the 31. So 31 minus a 3, then that's going to give us a 28. Alright, is this 28 we are going to add to the 18. Alright, so 28 plus 18, that gives us 46. This is how you get the 46. Alright, finally, how do you get the 18? So let's look at that now using the remaining numbers. So on the board, we start with the top again. 39 divided by 13, that gives us 3. Alright, now we make use of the number at the middle, which is 31. So we subtract the 3 from it and we get 28. So 31 minus 3 is 28. So from the bottom, we subtract the 28 from the 46. So we have 46 minus 28, that gives us 18. So that is how we got this final number. Hope you had a great time watching. See you in the next class. Bye.